Hi there, my name is Alanna, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at an inside interior stateroom aboard Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas. The Navigator just recently went under a awesome refurbishment, leaving the rooms with a fresh new look. So we're going to go inside and take a look at this interior stateroom, 8451. Come with me and let's go check it out. But if you're new here, I'm all about cruising, Disney, and weekend getaways, so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe for more. Let's go take a look at this awesome room. All right, here is an inside stateroom in the aft of the Navigator of the Seas. So we have our bed facing the doorway here. Walking right in, we can take a look. We have a smaller couch here, and right away when I noticed there is a very tight squeeze between the table and the bed and the couch here. I walked around here to turn on the lights and it's a very hard squeeze. There is no USB cord on this side, but you do have a little bit of a drawer on this nightstand over here. On this side you have your phone, but your phone is equipped with a USB port to charge your phone, so you can have your phone by the bed here, and also a cord to plug in your computer as well. So that is pretty nice that you have that by your bed, since there isn't an outlet over here. So we have our couch right in the middle. Here is the countertop and the desk. Our mini fridge in this cabinet here. Nice TV. In here we have our safe. More cabinets up here to unpack all of our belongings. Cabinets inside these mirrors here. Cabinets inside here as well. And some drawers to keep you organized. We have our trash can right underneath that chair. I've noticed that they've taken out the coffee table. We don't have coffee tables in the rooms anymore, but that is quite all right in my opinion, as we always push ours off to the side and they just kind of got in the way. But a nice full-length mirror, and we'll check out the bathroom. So inside the bathroom here, we have the sink and the toilet, our trash can. You can do a little bit of storage on this here, but if you need a lot more, inside these mirrors, you can store as well. No storage on this side of the mirror. And then, of course, our shower. No shower curtains, but we have the tubes shower where these doors open and close, and it's not wet, it's just meant to look wet. And inside is the 2-in-1 conditioner. Over here we have our closet. We've already started to put some of the belongings in the closet. Now there's quite a bit of hangers, as you can see. Some of these white ones were left previously from a guest before and they just left them, so there's definitely a lot of hangers that are here. Even if you didn't have some left behind from a previous guest, but a bunch of shelves as well. So the closet there, and then there will be plenty of room after we unpack to put the suitcases underneath the bed here, and you can see the life jackets are under there as well, along with some extra bedding. Alright guys, that does it for our inside stateroom tour on the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out our other vlogs, all from this 5-day Caribbean cruise. Ciao for now.